On your mark. Get set. Go! I said, go! Now we're moving. This series of photos seems simple enough, but one small step for horse was actually one giant leap for the history of movies. So what's the story behind it? And who snapped these pics? Let's take a peek behind the curtain to find out. When a horse is galloping, do all 4 of its feet ever leave the ground at the same time? Not a trick question, but back in the 1870s, it certainly was a tricky question. A horse gallops so quickly. How could you see what its feet are doing? Photographer Eadweard Muybridge set out to answer this question with the help of a trusty steed. Muybridge set up a line of cameras along a racetrack. When the horse galloped by, each camera was triggered, creating 12 images in quick succession. And he proved that the horse did have all 4 feet off the ground at once. And Muybridge didn't stop with this discovery. He became obsessed with observing motion and created over 700 studies of animals. And people. Walking, working, dancing, jumping. Soon, Muybridge held screenings where he showed his photos to the public using a device he invented called the Microscope. At the time, most people had never seen images move. To many, it looked like a magic trick. But really, it was because of a trick of the mind, known as apparent motion.
When images are shown very quickly, one after the other, our brains blend them together as if they're really moving right before our eyes. But if you show them too slowly, you start to see them like still pictures.
Muybridge was just one of many inventors who found ways to make pictures move. Some of these inventors made the very first movies, all out of still images. Believe it or not, movies today work like this too. Muybridge and the other inventors were not the first to show movement by any means. Humans have been depicting creatures in motion since the beginning of time. So next time you sit down for a flick, remember Muybridge's horse and all the other trusty steeds who helped blaze a trail for the movies.